The number of holidaymakers traveling abroad reduced significantly in the year 2020 as more than 3 trillion wiped off global tourism GDP due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The trend is expected to continue in the year 2021, and Kenya is one of the African countries most affected. The holiday period supposed to be one of the busiest for Kenya tour drivers, but new lockdown measures to contain a jump in coronavirus infections has led to many tour cancellations and loss of jobs.
Today I was not supposed to be there because I was supposed to go to another a 2-day earlier. Then on a second I go to another one. But the government being locking the Nairobi, the Kajiado, the Amboseli, the Nakuru, the Kiambu, we cannot go to Masai Mara. And Masai Mara is our main game reserve that sells Kenya as a whole.
The tourism industry is a major contributor to Kenya's economy, accounting for 8.8% of the entire GDP. In 2019, the sector employed an estimated 1,297,000 people and contributed millions of dollars to the exchequer. With the new lockdown measures, more than 2 million jobs have been lost.
My last job was 15th February, and it's only a 2-day safari in Masai Mara. And that's the last job I did on from January to March today.
In the meantime, tourism and hospitality industry players in the country have appealed for review of COVID-19 restrictions. Through the Kenya Tourism Federation, they want, among other things, the government to accord tourists already in the country special consideration and be facilitated and allowed to complete their safaris as planned.
Instead of just a blanket ban, let's have a plan, because we cannot continue that every time there is a spike, we lock down. Every time there is a spike, we lock down. We need to have a plan of how to mitigate against this disease.
Kenya imposed new lockdown measures after COVID-19 positivity rate jumped from 2% to 22% between January and March, and Nairobi account for nearly 60% of the new cases. According to Ministry of Health, total fatalities from COVID-19 stands at 2,186, while the tally of confirmed infections is 136,893. Kamel Sadiq reporting for CBA TV.